Hello parents! This video tutorial is to assist you with accessing Reflex Mathematics. Reflex Mathematics is used for grades 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's get started. In order to access Reflex Math, you must have your student's login card. It may look something like this. If you do not have this login card, please contact your teacher immediately. The login card is essential as it has the website. You will find your teacher's username, class, and password information for your student. Again, this is a demonstration site, and that is why you do not see information underneath classroom and password and teacher username. So let's get started. Let's log into reflexmath.com. So here's the website. It's called reflexmath.com. I'm going to direct you to the login, which is towards the right. I'm going to click on login, and then I'm going to click on student login. As I click on student login, I'm going to wait for it to prompt me for my teacher username. Now, I'm going to need my ID card to get my teacher username. Since this is a demonstration, I've created a fake account, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my account in here. Deb Cortez, and I'm going to press go. Again, your student will have a different teacher username. Now it's asking me to select my class. So how will I know which class that is? Again, you will find it on the student login card under class. So the class I have posted here says my first class. Again, your student will have a different name. So direct yourself to the student login card. I'm going to click on my first class, and now I'm going to find my student. Now in my class, I only have one student, Ethan D. But in your class, you will find several students. So locate your child's name and click. Now I need to look for the password, which is on the bottom of my student login card. So I'm going to type in Ethan D's password. And now I am taken to the website. If your child has used Reflex Math before, he or she should be able to go ahead and get started and learn their facts. If your child has not used Reflex Math before, then it is very easy to get started. And also, you may want to ask your teacher for directions regarding Reflex Math and what they expect. I hope you found this video tutorial easy to understand. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Debbie Cortez. I am the District Math and Science Instructional Officer. My email is dcortez@seisd.net. Thank you very much.